how to add inbound rules in EC2 AWS. In this video, I'll show you how to add inbound rules in EC2 AWS. So to get started, go ahead and open AWS, sign into your account, and then use the search bar to search for EC2. So on the results, go ahead and click on EC2 under services, and that will take you to the EC2 dashboard. So on the EC2 dashboard, click on instances under the instances section, and that will take you to the EC2 instances dashboard. And here, click on the instance ID of that specific instance where you want to add inbound rules. Scroll down and look for the security tab. So go ahead and scroll down into this section, and you'll be able to find tabs. So on the tab section, click on the security tab. So in here, click on security in between monitoring and network. And then on the security tab, click on your security group name. And that will take you into a new tab. So in here, go ahead and click on the Edit Inbound Rules button at the top right of this specific table. And then click on this Add Rule button at the bottom left of the inbound rules to add a new inbound rule for this specific instance. And then once you have added it, go ahead and click on the Save Rules button to save the changes. And that is how you can basically add inbound rules in EC2 AWS. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.